Hi all, welcome to another vlog of RecipeFever. Today, I will be making a very famous non-vegetarian starter, Chicken 65, that is loved by everyone from kids to adults. This is a very easy recipe to make. Let's get started by marinating the chicken first. For that, I have taken 400 gram boneless chicken, which I have washed well along with some turmeric powder. Also, I have squeezed the chicken pieces well to remove the water content in it. Now, add 3 tablespoons of thick curd to the chicken. Then squeeze and add the juice of half lemon. Strain and add the lemon juice to remove the seeds in it. Once done, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well such that the masala coats well with each chicken pieces. If you want, you can add the food color, but I am not adding it as the tomato sauce and the Kashmiri red chili powder gives the necessary color to it. Also, please make sure not to add water as the chicken pieces will leave the water from it as we keep it for marination. Now you can see that the flour and the masala has mixed well and coated well with the chicken pieces. At this stage, let's close it and keep it for marination in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours so that the chicken pieces will be juicy and absorbs all the flavors. After 2 hours, switch on the stove and keep a kadai with enough oil for frying. I have added 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the oil to give it an extra flavor. It is purely optional to add the butter. Now, once the oil becomes hot, add the marinated chicken pieces one by one to the hot oil. Fry the chicken pieces on a low-medium flame. After a minute, gently stir it so that the chicken pieces doesn't stick to the bottom and get burnt. Now, after 5 minutes, you can see that the chicken pieces are cooked well. At this stage, reduce the flame to low. Drain the oil and take the chicken pieces from it. Similarly, add the next batch of the chicken pieces and fry them. You can see how well the chicken pieces are fried. It is crispy and crunchy outside and soft and juicy inside. You may also notice that the chicken pieces are similar to the tandoori chicken pieces. This is because of the butter that I added to the oil, which gives the chicken pieces more smoky tandoori flavor and texture. And so, the delicious chicken 65 starter is ready to be served. I have garnished it with some curry leaves, onion and lemon. Serve it hot with some splashes of lemon juice. Do try this recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications on new recipes. Hit the like button and share my videos to your loved ones. For more details and tips on the recipe, see the description box below. Visit my official website to get the full recipe. Also, share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thank you for spending your precious time watching my video. Have a nice day.